Okay, so y'all should have made that Automoblocks axle last class. So today we're going to focus on making that Automoblocks rim so that axle will fit into it. So what you're gonna do is, let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so you're gonna go over to Autodesk, and y'all should know how to get on Autodesk, and we're gonna start a new part file. So once that new part file loads up, we're going to, of course, start a 2D sketch, hit that XY plane, and we're going to need the circle command today. So when we go to the dimensions, we're going to follow these dimensions here. We're going to make the two inner circles and then dimension the two outer circles here. So first thing we're going to do is this right here. That first circle, it looks like it has a diameter of 0.44. So to make a circle from the center, type in 0.44, and we are good to go. And then you're just gonna make another circle around it. And then to mention it, it says 0.05. All right, we're gonna make another circle around this one, and we're gonna dimension that one. Doesn't matter how big you draw that one because we're gonna dimension it anyway. And it says here 0.35. So from here to here, I'm gonna type in 0.35. And then it looks like there's another circle around that one that is also 0.5 as well. So let's draw that circle and then dimension it to be 0.05. All right, we're gonna finish that sketch and we are going to extrude it. Now, when we extrude it, we see here it is 0.57 thick. So we're gonna click that circle and that circle. We're going to change it to 0.57. Cool. Now, what we want to do is we want to do a sketch here. And we want to project the geometry of, also make sure you hit project geometry. I want to click the outer circle here and the outer circle, I want to say right here, but let me slide down to the directions. Okay, yeah, we want to click the inner circle right there. So here and here. We're going to finish that sketch. We are going to extrude that by, yep, right here, 0.05. All right, 0.05. And you want to make sure we hit this so it goes both directions like that. Cool. All right, so we're almost done. We are going to do another sketch up front, and we're going to make these wheel thingies here and do the circular pattern. All right, so since we built from the origin, we're going to go up here to this point and sketch a circle with a radius of 0.25. So right here, and we know if it has a radius of 0.25, then it has a diameter of 0.5. So just type in 0.5. We're going to grab this button here that says trim, cut that access off the circle, and then grab the arc button, draw that up, and we're going to finish sketch. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this back by 0.05. And then we're going to grab the circular pattern, move this around the rotation axis here, and we want 5 holes. And there you have it. You have just completed that Automoblocks wheel rim. So just like last video, we are going to make it chrome, polish it up, and you are going to save it into your Q drive. Just put your name down, I type in Automo blocks wheel rim. All right, cool. So make sure y'all send me a copy of that on Google Classroom so I can grade it, and we'll go ahead and move on to that next project.